but windy out there, and it's cool out there as well. And speaking of rain, that's something we'll have to track for the middle of the week as many folks are getting onto the roads, getting ready for Thanksgiving Day. So here's a look at what we're seeing right now, and it's mainly dry out there, but I'm watching the skies because we're seeing this lake effect snow banding right through upstate New York. That's where a lot of the snow is really centralized right now, but some of these bands are just barely stretching into areas of our region, and we're seeing some reports of some very light flurries and flakes falling from Keene out toward Leominster, even Worcester seeing a few flakes as well, and that could try to stretch toward Boston right now. We're seeing some signs of that moving on to 128 right now, just north of Boston. That's the initial concern this morning, but the wind is the big story. We're seeing wind gusts near 35 miles per hour for today, so just slightly weaker than yesterday, but still rather strong with sustained wind up to about 20 miles per hour. You throw that in with a cool temperature that we're expecting, and that's going to bring some very chilly wind chills to our area. Right now, our temperatures are down into the low to mid 30s, especially along our coastline with Plymouth at 36, but the temperatures feel like they're down below freezing, including Boston at a wind chill of only 30 degrees. Teens as you're moving out toward Worcester. Forecast today does call for highs in the lower 40s. Our average high this time of year just about 50, so that is significantly cooler than where we should be. However, you throw in that wind, and that's what's going to make it feel like it's down into the 30s for much of the area, and even more significant cool down for our region. Tonight is breezy and chilly. The wind still looking gusty with occasional gusts near 30 miles per hour. Temperatures are down to below freezing for much of the area, so it's a chilly night in store for us. But of course, all eyes are on what's ahead for us as far as that chance of rain, because many of us are getting onto the roads. All clear for today and tomorrow, but Wednesday is when our next chance of showers will arrive. It's moving in with a cold front, and the showers start to fill in as early as 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning. Here's the afternoon, and you can see those showers pushing on through, heavy at times before pushing east as we head into Wednesday night. Now, with those rain showers pushing through, much colder air will make a return, and that's something we'll have to deal with for Thanksgiving Day. But it's not Thanksgiving unless it's a little chilly out there.
Right, you got to have a little briskness going on. But Wednesday, certainly keep an eye on those rains because that traffic will start to pick up.